Okay, let us start miscellaneous exercise on sequence and series. So the first question is, show that the sum of m plus nth and m minus nth terms of an AP is equal to twice the mth term. This is not a question, this is basically a concept that whenever I have got an AP, A1, A2, A3 and A4, A5, A6, A7, let us say there are 7 terms. So there is an mth term, let us say there is 4th term, okay. M plus nth term, so let us say 4 plus 2, that is 6th term, and 4 minus 2, that is 2nd term. So their sum will be equal to twice of this. A2 plus A6 will be equal to twice of A4. This is true, right? Because if you see, the sum of terms equidistant from the beginning and end will be equal, and it will be equal to twice of the mean, arithmetic mean, right? This is what arithmetic mean is. I hope you know this concept. If you have listened to my arithmetic progressions lectures, I've added a playlist by the name arithmetic progressions extra lectures. Then you would know that if I go, let us say here, 1 2 3 steps here, and then 1 2 3 steps here, the sum of A1 and A7 will also be twice of A4. For that matter, sum of A3 and A5 will also be twice of A4. This is how it will work. So this is simply a concept. Let us show it mathematically. That sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth terms of an AP is equal to twice the mth term. So what is m plus nth term of an AP? First term plus m plus n minus 1 into the common difference. What is m minus nth term? First term plus m minus n minus 1 into the common difference. What is the mth term? First of all, let us take their sum. So a m plus n plus a m minus n will be equal to twice of a, right? And then d I can take common. Inside I will write the sum of these two. So 2m, n will get cancelled, minus 2 here. So if I take 2 common from both of these terms, I'll have a plus m minus 1 into d here. This is obviously the mth term, so twice of mth term. This is what I wanted to show. This was a pretty basic question, right? If the sum of three numbers in AP is 24 and their product is 440, find the numbers. We have already spoken about these kind of cases where I need to take three numbers of an AP and sum of an AP is given, right? So I will assume these numbers to be a minus d, a and a plus d. Okay, let these are the numbers. So their sum is equal to 24. A minus d plus a plus d is 24. D will get cancelled. That means 3a is equal to 24. A is equal to 8. Is it the first term? No, it is the second. These things you need to take care of, although this will not matter in this question. Their product is 440, so I can write a minus d into a plus d is equal to 440. This can further be written as a into a square minus d squared equals 440. Now I know that a is 8, so 8 squared minus d squared, this I am taking on the right hand side, will be 440 by 8. 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40. So d squared is equal to 64 minus 55. What is it equal to? 9. Right? So what is d? D is plus minus 3. Alright. Now if I take d equal to 3, so these are the numbers. If I take A is already, we know that A is 8. If I take D equal to 3, what will be the numbers? 5, 8 and 11. If I take D equal to minus 3, what will be the AP? So I have got two answers, right? A minus D. 8 minus minus 3, it will become 11. A is 8 and A plus D. So 8 minus 3, 5. In both the cases, we have got the same numbers, that are 5, 8 and 11. So these are we had to find the numbers. If we have to write the APs, we will write these two APs. I just have to find the numbers. So the numbers are 5, 8 and 11.